Hi, my name is Raj from Goodman Lantern, and today we'll ask some questions in regards to AR and VR. Question number one is, how does AR, VR differ in terms of user experience and technology? The answer is, AR enhances reality with digital layovers, whereas VR creates a fully immersive digital world. Think of it like AR is actually adding value and creating overlays on top of what's already out there you can see through your goggles, for example. Whereas VR is creating a completely new environment for you to be part of or immersed in. The main difference really is that AR integrates and VR isolates the real world. Question number two. What are some of practical applications of AR in industries like retail and healthcare? So the first one is that AR and VR are both very helpful in both the industries. When I talk about AR, for example, in retail market, it enables virtual product trials. Imagine if you can go into an environment where you can try your next car without actually being in the car showroom. That adds a tremendous amount of value in your life. Similarly, in healthcare, AR can really help you to assist with surgery and medical training without actually being able to operate in operating theater. I can create environments where doctors, medical professionals can learn how to operate and perform these surgical operations easily, safely, and quickly. Question number three is, can VR be used effectively for training purposes in various fields? The answer is yes. For risk-free controlled simulations, VR is a phenomenal tool. It can help in various fields, in aviations, military, healthcare. Think about the time where there are operations being taken out within aeroplanes. Back in the day, you have to actually launch your plane, fly all the way out with a trainee, so that can be done through VR itself. The comfort of your training environment, maybe in the office or at home, you can be trained how to fly a plane, be a part of military operations, or healthcare, as we discussed earlier. It can all be done safely, quickly, and relatively cheaply, or in a very cost-friendly manner using VR. Next question. What are the challenges faced in widespread adoption of AR, VR tech? Well, as it happens, AR and VR technology is still very expensive. The high cost is a bit of a barrier for mainstream adoption, but that is changing. Things are getting cheaper and better. There's still technical limitations for which impact the experience. If you've been using the VR headsets, for instance, it's very normal to feel dizzy or your eyes hurt, for example. That still hasn't been fully overcome. Finally, there are health issues, including motion sickness, which can be a challenge for people as well. Next question. What are the ethical considerations surrounding the use of AR, VR in society? I believe there are bunch of challenges there to look at. Number one is privacy concerns due to data collection. Number two is psychological impact and detachment from reality. The more we use these technologies, we are going to be isolated in that sort of reality versus virtual environments, and that is a bit of a challenge. And number three is to ensure that these tools are still available for disabled people as well, so it's more inclusive as well, and that I feel is really important. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please do subscribe, like, and do leave a comment. We check all the comments here and we'd love to respond to you any questions you might have for us. Thank you.